Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Elijah Spatial, and today we'll be doing a little bit of a training. We'll just solve a problem. Okay, this data, this is the boundary of Taraba State, and we're having a kind of issue with this side of the boundary. So this is not corresponding with what is on ground. So my task here is to extract a point from Google Earth, which I already did. Now this is now the new point I have generated for that part of the boundary. So I want to import this so that I can correct the other boundary. So let's get back and see. So as usual, I have the point in Excel file, which I will just bring in normally. You just go to File, Add Data, Add XY Data. Then I'll navigate to the folder containing this file. And this is the Taraba Benue. So, and then your long and large. Now, this was to the work I did in UTM. That is the shapefile you see there in UTM. So I want to have the same work as it is there. So this is WGS 1984 zone 32, which is the same thing as this one. Let me bring it in first. Which is the same thing as this adjoining boundary where I'm going to fix the boundary hole stuff. So I needed it to be on the same coordinate system with what I've been working on, which you see it's WGS 1984 UTM zone 32. So that's what I did, but something strange is happening. The point is not coming up. So if I zoom to extent, I will see the point. But when I zoom to where there's data and all that, it's not coming up. So this has been a challenge. So how do you think we can solve this? Now, this is very simple to solve, but the thing you must know what the problem is. So what really is the problem of this? Now I discover, I use Google Earth, and Google Earth is a global platform which uses global data set. It sees everything as a global data set. So me projecting it to the zone carrying my work will not display. So the simple solution to this is to check the projection of the images. Now if I come on this image here, I come to source data and check, you will see that this image is WGS on 1984 without any zone. It's not a projection, it's a GCS coordinate system, global data. So if I do the same thing, I bring it in like the one I did before, but this time around under the coordinate system that is the same with that of the image, GCW WGS 1984. Alright. So in a nutshell, since the data I use Google Earth to extract this data, Google Earth is a global platform. So you need it to be in a global platform. So in GCS, it's going to work, but in projected coordinate system, it will not work. So this is just a little tips for some of you who are facing challenges like this. I just feel like dropping this video for you to also get a solution to it. So if this video helps you, don't forget to drop comments, like, share, and then don't forget to subscribe. Till I come your way next time with the next video. Bye bye.